Homogeneity confirmed, the grain structure is exactly within tolerance.
Agreed. The 7075 T6 is cleared for the Karakorum lines.
The fiber alignment is perfectly uniform, and the resin distribution is sound. This batch is certified for the main fuselage panels.
Following intensive quality control, the approved billets move rapidly towards the machining hall. Simultaneously, specialized nickel. A highly sophisticated, 6-axis painting robot sprays a uniform layer of corrosion-inhibiting and
High-speed CNC milling precisely defines the failure points on 7075 T6 aluminum. Coolant wash.
Keep it coming back slowly, watch the clearance on the right.
Roger that. Clear on this side, steady as she goes.
The partially assembled mid-fuselage section is rotated, allowing robotic arms to bond the aluminum ribs and brackets.
The fully completed, structurally bonded mid-fuselage section is lifted carefully off the assembly jig.
The certified mid-fuselage section is secured in the climate-controlled bay, confirming the successful application of the structural adhesive bonding.
The certified high cycle fatigue test article is automatically picked up by a robotic gripper and scanned, logging its material batch and dimensional data.
The fatigue test article is moved to the washing. Specialized dyes and UV light radiation.
The data from the failed test article is crucial. It calibrates the digital twin, updating the simulated fatigue.
All connections secure on the starboard stabilizer.
Copy that.
Initiating pre-test sequence. The specialized maintenance robot checks fluid levels and sensor calibration, ensuring uninterrupted data collection. The analysis confirms the structural adhesive bonding exceeds the required safety factor for airworthiness. Report finalized.
The fatigue cycles align with the high cycle test data.
Confirmed. All parameters are within tolerance.
The Hongdu JL-8 structural certification samples are secured in a foam line transit box, sealed with a unique, tamper-evident holographic seal.
The transit box arrives at the logistics bay. An officer verifies the high cycle fatigue.
As you can see from the SN curves, the adhesive bonding exceeds the required fatigue life significantly. This
report emphasized the robustness of the structural adhesive bond lines. The data confirms our safety margins.
Zoom in on this bonded joint. The high cycle data highlights it as critical.
Process B is validated, setting the new inspection interval now.
Distance. The certified high cycle fatigue data confirms the airframe's durability. The rigorous adhesive bonding validation
The successful stress cycling data confirms the long-term structural health of the JL-8 fleet, demonstrating the value of Process B.
All aircraft maintain maneuver profile. Fatigue analysis holding green across the board.
The extensive Process B testing minimizes risk, allowing for extended warranties and significantly lower operating costs. The security and integrity of the fatigue life predictions are confirmed. Airworthiness information for the JL-8.
The certification package confirms the structural integrity of the K-8.
We appreciate the rigorous validation and accept the handover.
The true value of the structural adhesive bonding and fatigue testing lies in the continuous, certified safe